Hola mis amigos, we're making slow cooker barbecue sausages. Today's recipe is going to be another super simple and quick one to make. We're going to start off by making the sauce. So here I have about 1.5 packed cups of brown sugar. I'm using dark brown sugar just for the extra flavor, but you can use whatever you like. Next, we're going to add 1 cup of ketchup. And to give this a kick, we're going to add 1/2 of a cup of horseradish. And that's all that there is to it for the sauce. We're just going to get this nice and whisked together. I've sprayed my slow cooker with some cooking spray, and in it I have 2 pounds of Polish sausage that I have sliced, and to that we are just going to add our horseradish barbecue sauce. And we're just going to give this a stir to combine. This is actually more of an appetizer, but you can make it into a full meal by simply adding a side to it like a salad or some sort of starch. And if you are going to be using this as an appetizer, you could also use those little cocktail sausages, and that would be just as good as well. So what we're going to do now is, now that this is all nice and coated, we are just going to put the lid on and cook this on high for 2 hours or on low for 4 hours. And then that's all that there is to it. Slow cooker barbecue sausages. Enjoy, and I'll see you at the dinner table.